Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is about the cultural walk show 2 coming up in Hyderabad in Harihara Kalabhavan. Those artists who do canvas and fabric painting can join this. Canvas is also a cloth, so it is similar, and you can do any dress wear, traditional dress wear of India from north to south. And in our traditional wear, women can paint saree, salwar suit, then ghagra choli, half saree, and many more. The Indian traditional wear, they can wear saree in Gujarati, Maharashtrian style. Men can paint and wear dhoti kurta, then kurta pajama, then Hyderabadi style of dress wear or any other Indian traditional wear. They can paint and do the cultural walk. This is our traditional fashion show. The artist can paint anything which is beautiful and which looks elegant. There is no particular theme in this show, so you can paint floral, abstract, whatever you like. Your style of painting you can show and do the cultural fashion walk on the stage. The entry fee for all the participants outstation and Hyderabad is same 2000, and after 10th, if anyone wants to register, the fees will increase, and last time entries, walk-in entries are also there. As you register later, your facilities will be reduced, as after 10th, if you register, your photo will not come on the banners, and if you are registering after 6th, your name will not come in the magazine. So register, hurry up and avail all the publicity which you need. So thank you, see you all, bye bye.